Mellow. Today I brought Marduk's head inside because there was some weird wiring going on, and at one point the camera stopped working in the head, but I gave it a good look over and it seems to run fine now. And I also did a few wiring up of some, well, wires inside because apparently I hadn't soldered a few pieces together, so they weren't functioning properly. And let me just show you something I've added. I've got 3 batteries right here. And a switch. What could it do? Oh, Marduk has now got some headlights. This is just 4.5 volts going to LEDs. I do have some 12 volt lights down right there, but obviously since I don't have a 12 volt battery with me, I'll have to wire that up when I get in the mech. And now, if I just do the default Raspberry Pi, yeah, I got the optical system in here as well. And oh look, Harbor Freight. So if I just do the default Ras Pi still. Oops. Make that 1500. There we go. Can see the inside of Marduk's head. Well, we can fix that. Just go inside. Okay, I think I ended up pinching the ribbon on my Raspberry Pi cam cable. You can see it kind of right there reflecting in the light, that crease. Now these cables are really sensitive, and I really should have wrapped this thing in a Gorilla Tape or something before sticking it in here, but hey, lesson learned. But just in case I'm having my Raspberry Pi update itself. Whoop. And I knocked over my soldering iron. Thank goodness I unplugged it and it's cold, eh? But anyway, we'll see if this Raspberry Pi update fixes it. And if it doesn't, I'll have to get a new ribbon for the camera. Hopefully it's on the camera itself. But at least I've got an additional functionality of blinking lights. So, I guess that will be all for this video. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, I guess, and keep watching if you want to see more mech content. Bye-bye.